Okay, so for this part, we have to understand that the idea of the trigonometric function is on the graph. So we have to understand the graph of sine, which equals to, let's say if I have the nature formula y equals sine x, so the graph will be like this. It has to be start from 0 until 2 pi. And then you go like this, where this is 1, this is -1, right? But if we have the square root 2 here, so we have to understand a further understanding about the sine graph. Let's say I have a sine b bracket x plus c plus minus d. It can be minus also. So we have to acknowledge that this a is an amplitude, so the maximum and minimum, okay, or the distance between the center to the edges. And b is a part of the period, so you need to calculate the period by dividing 2 pi over b, dividing 2 pi by b. Or you can just write in terms of degree, 360 over b is the same. And c here is a horizontal shift. What means by horizontal shift? So it has to be go left or go right, depend on the sign. In this case, if plus, we need to go to the left. So it's quite opposite from the common rule. Plus going right, but in this case, plus going left and minus going right. And how about D? D is the vertical shift. So it just follow if plus go up, if minus go down. So we have to look at the idea here. Y equals, or the question, I mean, y equals square root 2 times sine x plus pi over 4. So it means that when we follow the nature of the sine rule, it has to be like this. But mention one by one. So this is the amplitude, right? So the amplitude is 2, square root 2, I mean. So here will be square root 2, and this is negative square root 2. That's the way you do. So because this is the amplitude as it is given on what we already learned just now. Okay, and then x. So we don't have the b, so let b be 1. So we can find the period by 2 pi over 1 means 2 pi. So this is the period. So period means one wave. So one hill and one what do you call? I don't know what it is. So one up and one down. It is called one period. So in this case, the period is 2 pi. So if you want to continue, so this is pi, and this is 3 pi, right? Because the question is asking you for 3 pi until 3 pi, so like this. And you need to consider the pi over 4, right? So you have to plus by pi over 4. It means the horizontal shift is going left by pi over 4. In this case, we need to draw one more time. Okay, I will give you the idea of doing this. So actually, wait, I need to show the layer editor. There you go. And then I am creating another layer. So actually, the basic formula is on here. I mean the basic shape. And then we go here. And you go to the left by pi over 4. It means you need to perform the shift of horizontal by pi over 4. Just like this. I think this is better. Look, make it more accurate. So this is pi, which means the middle part is pi over 2, and pi over 4 is located here in half of pi over 2, and this also pi over 4. And then you do the horizontal shift to the left by pi over 4. That's it. Now, after that, we are done. Then what is this? 3 subtract 1 over 4 pi, which is 2, 3 over 4 pi. But it's okay. Just put this 3 over 4, look at it here. 3 pi, done. Go to the left by pi over 4. This is the idea. This is the anchor, right? Go to the left by pi over 4. I think that's all for what I can explain. You have to draw the trigonometric function of sine square root 2 sine pi at x plus pi over 4. Okay, that's it. I'll send it to you later, the link.